Hi YouTubers and wet shavers everywhere, it's Mark at GeorgeTune.com. I'm back with another video, and it's an unboxing video. It just came in the mail today. Let's see what we've got. Open it up right now. Okay. Got some packing in there I gotta get rid of. Put that aside. Ah, there we go. Right there. One, put that down, and two. So let's see what we've got in this one. Well, let's see. Two items from Razor Rock. This one's a little heavier, this one's a little lighter. Let's go with the lighter one. Let's see what we have in here. Aha! It's a brand new Plissoft synthetic brush. This is called a Disruptor. Isn't that beautiful? It's very nice and soft. Very nice and soft. Now this is a step above their Razor Rock. This is their standard brush. This was the Ivory 22. They sell this now as the Keyhole. This is just a step above that. A little softer, they say. And it's got a beautiful handle to it, doesn't it? Really, really very nice. And it is very, very soft. I'm going to use this and see how this performs. So I'm going to wash this, clean it up a little bit. It's really a beautiful handle. Really, really nice handle. Razor Rock Disruptor. Really nice. Very, very nice. All right, this one is a little heavier. That's what we have in here. Oh boy, that's nice. Wow, look at that. This is, wow, heavyweight, chromed, wow. Look at that. And this is supposed to be even softer. Look at that. That's a beautiful chromed handle. This one is called Razor Rock Chrome. Look at that. That is really, really very, very impressive. This is I believe this is also Plissoft. I'll have to look at the paperwork again. Let's see if the paperwork tells me. Disruptor, silver tip Plissoft brush is what the chrome is. They call it a silver tip Plissoft brush. And it really is, oh boy, that looks nice. And it's heavy. I can't believe how heavy this thing is. Beautifully chromed. Really, really nice. I'll have links for both of these brushes because my thing now is synthetic brushes have just become so great. You can get something as cheap as this for about $3 to $5 on eBay, and it's a nice travel size. That's very nice. You can also get something like this from Razor Rock. They have one called the Keyhole now, the Disruptor. They're about $10 to $12. I remember this one was just $10. I just bought it on a lark. And it's very nice. Very, very nice and soft. And you can also get this one from Vikings Blade, which is really, this has been a terrific performer. It's nice and soft, but it also has a nice amount of backbone. But the point is that there are a lot of synthetic brushes out there that are just wonderful. We're going to have to see how this performs. I bought it on a lark because I've really been interested in synthetic brushes because they generate so much lather, and they really are, my opinion, they've been working for me better than the natural hair brushes, than the boar and the badger brushes. And they're very easy to maintain, they're very easy to clean, they look great, they hold their shape. I don't know how long they're going to last compared to the regular natural hair brushes, but the prices can't be beat. I think this one was about $17, $18 for this one. I believe this one was probably, I think, $12. So we'll see how these hold up. I'm going to clean them up, and we're going to definitely give them a good test drive. All right, hey, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Thanks very much for tuning in. Razor Rock synthetic brushes. They got a lot of them up there at ItalianBarber.com, also on Amazon.com. Just, it's just can't have too many brushes. So, okay, that's it. That's all I wanted to mention. Please subscribe. Please subscribe and share this with your friends and family and followers. I need to get 1,000 subscribers to my YouTube channel by February 20th, or things change up. It could be detrimental to my channel. So please subscribe, share, spread the word. Really appreciate it. Comment below, let me know. Check out my blog, georgetoon.com/blog for my comic strip George, other cartoons, other videos like this. Please subscribe, and I'll see you again real soon.